Hey, good morning, trade geniuses. This is Bob from Trade Genius. Wanted to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving, and it's already Saturday the 28th. Time is flying. So I want to show you, I think maybe a bottom forming in some of the miners here, and also have a couple biotech names for you too. And I think these will all probably be good trades for next week. So we'll just take a look at it. So I have favorite silver miners, and one of them is First Majestic. And one thing I was worried about here was if we had a failure here, I was looking for a big drop in the silver miners, but that's not happening. It looks like we're consolidating on this trend line here, and we're about ready to turn higher. We got a crossover of my fastest slow ribbon, and as soon as we get a fulcrum color change, we're going to go take a shot at AG. I like the fact that it had a good turnaround when the miners were getting hit pretty hard a couple days ago. All right, so I'm going to switch gears here. I'm going to hit you up with a biotech right now. This one here is really breaking out nicely. It has all my components that I love. Is that it's above its 144. The fast ribbon's crossing over the slow ribbon, and a nice breakout here. And so I'm looking for this thing to make a move at least to the 3 standard deviation range, and then maybe even try to attempt whatever this blowout here was that crashed it. This is one I'm definitely going to put out as a buy signal on Monday, as long as it holds above 291. That'll be our stop on the trade. I'm going to switch gears with you again to here's the uranium stock. I like that we're definitely going to get back in again here if we break over to 144. I'm going to show you from a different chart here. It looks so nice and clean. Let me go into here. This is a thing of beauty. Okay, so here's this time in the wilderness here, and I think it's ready to break out. URA already is looking pretty decent, and so CCJ should drag up to the ETF here. So the ETF broke out over its 144. It tested it and shot up. I love the 144. That's our bull bear line, if you will. So this looks good for CCJ, and just to show you too here for people. So this is my system that I that I use to look for filters. I like TradingView a lot. It just doesn't give me the filtering capability that Telecharts allows me to do, and so here I can look for opportunities. So that above the 144, we get a crossover on my moving indexes. We get continuation patterns. This is the one I like the best. So if you look at like bots here, so it's crossing up. It's a little extended. I'm not going to chase that one, but it always gives me ideas here. Here's IAG as a gold trade. It looks very interesting to me. And then here's the dip buy one that I like a lot too. So, and you see CCJ's was hitting all my indicators here. So that's what caught my attention to it. I went back and looked at TradingView and said, we crossed that 144. I'm going to jump back in it again. And then, but it's not just that. Look at AU, and look at MAG, and look at this one's already run pretty hard. SILJ is the ETF. This is very, very informative to me. It's breaking over to 144. It looks like it's ready to push up higher. So these are, I think maybe it's time for silver here. We've been long suffering. All right, so let me go back over to here. So CCJ, and then I want to go and show you here one of my 4 horsemen when I traded silver in 2010, 2011 is here's EXK. I like that it bounced, so we'll be entering that one. And then here's the other one I love is Great Panther, nice bullish engulfing pattern. The old standby's Hecla, still waiting, still dicking around here a little bit, so I'm waiting for it to kind of push higher. And then one trade we did on Friday, which was really nice. We actually caught this. We were trading it on the 15-minute. We were looking for some day trade, so we caught this trade as soon as the market opened and this gap up. We took the gap up, and then we took the trade up, and so we took quick 4%. We didn't take it all the way to here, but we took 4%, took it off the table, and if we wanted to, we could jump back in it again on in the afternoon. But usually these things rocket ship in the morning, and then sometimes they fail. We were pretty much done for the day before the last hour here. Nice hammer on it. But I think lithium, LIT already took off. This one's a little bit of a laggard. We'll probably jump in this one again, looking for a move up to 16 on this one. These pullbacks, I don't like these when they wick like that, so I'm going to look forward to see if I get a continuation on it. And let's see what else I want to show you here. Okay, we have another one we day trade a lot is Sorrento. I probably talked about this before. Check out this gap and go. Boom. Over to 144. Okay, these have some really nice moves in it. As you can see, we trade this one a lot. So I didn't get this trade because it wasn't signaling a buy here, but that's powerful. But we do it a lot of times. We trade this on the 15-minute a lot. So see, once it good went, you couldn't trade it. So I hate chasing gap ups. But there's a lot of times where we're taking these trades, trying to put 1,000 shares on, grab a couple $100 if we can. We've been pretty successful at it, and usually in the morning you get a shot at Sorrento. So just put that one in your tricks here, especially now that it popped over to 144. I'm expecting it to probably come back down and test, and then we'll see if it's going to start trying to rise higher again. The therapeutics, if you notice here, I'll show you TEVA too. We're already in TEVA, bought it 10 cents lower, but it's just been grinding here, and just waiting for it to break out. If you look on us on the weekly, is that my expectation is for it to come back into here. This is a really nice base, and I'm waiting for it to break out of that base, and then I think we're going to get a big move. I think we'll complete this candle here, get back up above it, but my target here is 1091. I've been hanging with this, been a little stubborn, and but I think it's time. And then one other thing I want to show you that's just giving me a high degree of interest, with these biotechs. So check XBI out here on Friday. So XBI is starting to grind higher again, and then look at this sniper buy here. We love sniper buys. So when it hit there 71, it's a double. Okay, so our subscribers get access to this. If you see a sniper buy, you put the trade on, you set a stop, okay, below next support, and then let that baby run for you. And I think you'll be pretty happy with the trades. So we did that also. We did an Apple trade. We did day trade on Apple. And right here. So we caught this sniper buy here, and we went ahead and bought called it out for the group. So put 10 contracts on, made a quick $500. Okay, so those are the things that we look for, and we get alerts on all these things. So you can send an alert on the sniper buy, and then that way you can trade it. So you just go into here, and then you can pick anything that you have in a system. So you can go ahead and select anything that's already sitting here. So, and then you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. We're already in a couple names like CDE already, and I'm ready for it to, I think, get a busted move here. So anyway, just want to share those things with you guys. I think it's going to be a good week. And I'll show you one more thing here. So SPY's been, they would keep calling it death on SPY here. So let me go back to daily here on SPY. Is, you know, it's still grinding higher. I don't know, this might double top here, and that could be it. But there's a lot of things telling us that things could just keep pushing higher, but the risk is back down to here. So I just take it a day at a time on SPY, and you get a color change here, you buy calls, and very profitable. We day traded a lot, so we'll go ahead and buy buy calls on the green, and it's above 144, so I haven't been buying too many puts on it, although I did on Friday. So I bought puts on this because I was already long for Monday, and I didn't feel like closing my calls out, so I went ahead and I bought puts for the day, and then it started rising right back up again. So that's kind of where we're at with everything. And thanks for listening, and you guys have a good day. Put comments in any stocks you want me to follow or look at. I'll be happy to do another video on it. So check us out, tradelikeagenius.com. We're still running our Black Friday special till actually tonight. Take advantage of it, and I think we can help you make money. Bye-bye.